Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren, and today is going to be a quick little cook. I got a 22-inch Blackstone out there that I bought off of Facebook Marketplace a couple weeks ago, and I really haven't seared anything on it yet. So what I'm going to do is take some of the top sirloins that I have dried aged for 35 days, and I'm going to go ahead and cook them sous vide, and we're going to throw them out on the Blackstone to sear them up. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I'm back, and I already got my steaks in the sous vide container. I'm using the new Chefman Wi-Fi that I got the other day off of Amazon for $59, and it seems to be working pretty good. And we're going to do 129 degrees for 3.5 hours on these, and then we're going to go ahead and toss them in the on the Blackstone. So they're already in the bath, already going. They still got about an hour and a half left to go, and as soon as they're done, we're going to yank them out of there, give them a little bit of seasoning, and we're going to toss them on the Blackstone Griddle. All right, guys, I will be back. Hey all, my steaks are just about ready in the sous vide, so I'm going to go ahead and fire up my Blackstone Griddle to get that preheated. I'm going to put down just a little bit of duck fat, or the duck fat spray. That's what I'm going to use for my oil to sear these today. So we're going to let this thing get up. I got it cranked all the way, so it should get over 550 for a nice sear. So I will be back as soon as my steaks are ready to go on the griddle. All right, guys, I got them out of the sous vide. Going to pat these dry real quick. And these are my rest of my dry aged top sirloins that I did a couple videos back. I'm gonna get these really nice and dry, and then I'm gonna season them with a little bit. These were already pre-seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic before they went in the bath. So I'm gonna re-season them with just a little bit of the Heaven Made Products It's Incredible rub, which if you guys haven't tried that yet, it's actually really good. It's not very salty. It does have some salt in it, but unlike a lot of base rubs, salt's not the #1 ingredient. It uses a lot of other flavors, so it's good if you are trying to cut back on salt, or you're just not particularly keen on a whole lot of salt. But it is very savory. Has a whole lot of other really good flavors: garlic, onion, thyme, rosemary, all that. All right, got them seasoned up. Let's get them back out on that Blackstone. All right, there we go, folks. Got a nice crispy crust there. And I'll show you, it's still nice and medium rare, even though it's only about an inch thick. Look at that. Very nice. Perfect. Nice flavor from the It's Incredible. That dry age is still coming through really well. And that Blackstone was able to get a nice quick sear on it. Didn't really check and see what the temp on was, but it had to have been over 550 degrees. So that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. And we're going to head off to church tonight. So thanks for watching. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Join our Facebook group. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.